As we discussed yesterday, how we find out the area of triangle when height is not given. And we have all three sides. Then by using Heron's formula, how we find out the area of triangles. Right? Now look at the screen. Today we will discuss examples given in NCERT book before exercise 12.1. In the very first example, here the two sides 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter are given, and the perimeter is given 32 centimeter, right? So students, as we know that whenever perimeter is given, it means the sum of all sides is given. So to find out the area of triangle here, we need the third side also. So for third side, first we add these two 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter, and then subtract from perimeter so that we can easily calculate the third one, that is 13 centimeter. Look at the screen, right? Yes. Now we have all three sides. As we know that, what is the formula we have? S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So first we need to calculate S, semi-perimeter, and perimeter is given here 32. And what is the semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter. So what is our S? S we get 16 centimeter. Now we can easily calculate S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. And by putting the values of these here, we get the area of triangle 8 under root 30 centimeter. Students, here I repeat again, the important part is to calculate this under root. So please calculate the perfect square number first so that we get the remaining values, non-perfect square in under root. Okay, and always use centimeter square, right? Okay. Now in the second example, read the example number second. A triangular park ABC has sides 120 meter, 80 meter, and 50 meter. A gardener, Dhania, has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside. How much area does he need to plant? Find the cost of fencing it with barbed wire at the rate of rupees 20 per meter, leaving a space 3 meter wide for a gate on one side. Look at the screen, students. All three sides are given. So we can easily calculate the area of park, right? Look at here. Look, the area of park we get after calculating by using Heron's formula, 375 under root 15 meter square. Now, what is the perimeter, students? 250 meter, right? Because we need to fence here, right? Now, after getting the perimeter, why we subtract 3 meter here? Because in the question given, leaving the space 3 meter wide for the gate of one side. That's why the total length of fencing we get 240 meter, 247 meter. Understand? That's why the cost of fencing, we multiply 247 by 20 and we get the total cost of fencing. I hope you understand. Okay. Now in the last example, students, sides is not given. The sides of triangles are not given here. The ratio of sides are given and the perimeter is also given. So you know that how we divide the quantity in ratio whenever the ratio and ratios are given. So here first we need to calculate the sides. How we calculate? Read as we discussed in earlier classes, how we find out the value of x here so that we can easily calculate the respectively sides, right? Here we get 60, 100 and 140 meter, right? Now once we get all three sides, we can easily calculate the area of triangle by using Heron's formula, right? First we calculate S, semi-perimeter, and then by putting the value of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and like, look at here. How we calculate this under root, students? Look at here. 150, can we write 150 as what? 100 into 15. 100 into 15. No, 10 into 15, right? Can we calculate like this? 10 into 15 to make a pair, right? Then can we write 9 into 10 as 90 as 9 into 10, right? 9 into 10. Now 50 can be written as 5 into 10. Yes or no? Yes. 5 multiplied by 10. Now students, 10 remain as it is 10. The whole under root. Now students, make a pair. 10 here, 10 here, and 2 times pair here. So 10 into 10 out from the under root. Now look, 15 can be written as 5 into 3, right? So 5 can be paired again. And then 9 is also a perfect square number. So this way you can easily calculate the under root, the values of under root. And the remaining 3 will be in form of under root. And we get 1500 meter square. I hope you understand. Right? Okay. Thank you.